How to see older call history on iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to see older call history on iPhone. First of all, open up the phone application on your iPhone. So, if you wanted to see your call history a few weeks ago, a month ago, or a year ago on the iPhone, there are records for your call history. Now these records are limited, but you can find them easily. Let me show you how. After that, go to the Safari or Google browser. Now type in your SIM call history in the search bar. Once you come to the main menu, tap on the first link that appears on your screen. So through this process, you'll get your older call history on your iPhone. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.